Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're at the McCacken Show in Chicago, and this is a 1967 Dodge Charger. I've been fortunate enough to shoot several of these, and they are just amazing. If you really want to see some cool stuff, you can look on my channel. I've got some information on the instrument cluster. Just amazing technology, even in today's day and age. How about those redline tires? So this one is a 67. They came out in 66, and this is a 67 model, dual exhaust. That rear end, the back seat folded down. You can open up the trunk and you can fold down the back seat. You can literally lay in there and watch the stars. You can go to the drive-in theater, haul wood in there. If you are into this car as much as I am, please watch the rest of them or search for YouTube and watch more. They're just amazing. This one has a 383. In 67, the engine options were anywhere from a 318 to a 446 Hemi. This one has a 383. I hope you enjoy this. Please research and enjoy the rest of the videos on the 66-67 Dodge Charger. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate the support.